To know how to get almost 70% off in DZine or Stylar AI, make sure you watch this video carefully. If you do not know what Stylar is, then basically it is a very popular AI tool that allows you to generate images and has a lot of other features. To know more about it, you can check my videos on Stylar after this video. Now, to get this discount, click on the first link given in the description. You will be taken to DZine AI. If you are using it for the first time, click on Start for free and create an account. I already have an account, so I will click on Login, continue with Google, select my email ID, and we have successfully logged in. On the left, you will find pricing. Click on it. You can see, we have 3 different plans. You can compare all the benefits and decide a plan. Also, if you click monthly, you will not get any discount. But by selecting annual, you can get a 20% discount. And to get even more discount, select any plan and click Start your free trial. You will be redirected to the payment page. On the left, you can see Add a promotion code. Click on it. Type DZine50 and click Apply. You can see we have received a 50% discount on the total price, and we already received 20% off by selecting annual plan, making it almost a 70% discount. You can fill in the remaining details on the right side and complete your payment. If you want to know about another amazing text-to-image AI tool, then check the video on the left. If you like this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such AI-related videos. Thanks for watching.